Tinnitus masking sound therapy was designed to lessen the discomfort of those suffering from tinnitus or ringing in the ears. Many sufferers find that a noise that covers or masks their tinnitus distracts their attention from the tinnitus itself, providing some relief. Here's an example of the default noise produced in the BeHear tinnitus masking function. Using the BeHear app, you can customize this noise to best suit your personal experience. If this feature is supported in your BeHear device, you will see this icon on the home screen when there is no active call or audio playing. The masking noise can be activated and deactivated using either your BeHear device or the BeHear app. To customize the masking noise, make sure you're in personal hearing mode. Tap the ear icon at the bottom of the home screen to display all the tinnitus masking functions. Here, you'll be able to turn the feature on and off, adjust the volume, tone, frequency, modulation, and balance between your ears. Determine the volume level of the masking noise with this scale. When the white dot is all the way on the left, the tinnitus masking feature is off. In any other position, hearing mode will also be activated at a minimum volume. To change the sharpness and/or the frequency of the masking noise, place and hold your finger on a square in the grid for approximately 2 seconds. The masking noise will be adjusted immediately. Using this scale, you can adjust the sound modulation. When the off position is selected, the volume of the masking noise is consistent. When any other position is selected, the volume of the masking noise will increase and decrease periodically. The period varies on a scale from 10 seconds, the slowest option, to 1 second, the fastest option. If your tinnitus affects one ear only, or one ear more than the other, use the balance setting to adjust the noise output level. Once you find the most comfortable overall effect, tap the Save button. To toggle the function on and off from the headset, simply press both bottom buttons simultaneously for less than 1 second.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us here.